Tired of boring weekends? Ready for an adventure? Then get ready to experience the ultimate water fun with the FunWater SUPFW37C. This isn't just a paddleboard, it's your personal water paradise. Capture breathtaking GoPro footage with the integrated mount, show off your unique style with the vibrant, sun-resistant UV print, and enjoy unparalleled comfort and stability thanks to the 3D carved anti-skid pad. With 3 sliding fins for superior tracking, a bungee system to secure your gear, and even a comfortable seat for those relaxed moments, the FunWater SUPFW37 is perfect for all skill levels. It's incredibly stable, durable, and packed with features you won't find anywhere else. And the best part? Everything you need is included: paddle, seat, leash, pump, even a waterproof bag. This complete package makes getting started a breeze. But don't wait, this incredible deal won't last. Click the link in the description below to grab your FunWater SUPFW37 today. Summer's calling, and your adventure awaits. Limited stock available. Order now.